Hey, welcome to the Filament Forge. Most people choose super glue when bonding two printed parts together, but what if your project is large or you need it to be durable, maybe sustain a drop? That's what we're going to talk about today. Welding. Yep, welding plastic. Here we go. Okay, what we're using to weld today is the cheapest soldering iron you can find. And this is a 25-watt model. And I didn't pay more than $20 for this. It's going to get over 400 degrees Celsius, which is more than double the temperature we need to melt PLA. Here's the two pieces I'm going to show you to join. And the first thing we want to do, now that my iron is getting warmed up, is just put a couple tacks to hold this in place. We'll get our pieces lined up exactly where you want them. And then just put a little bit of heat right on the seam to warm up that PLA. And I'm going to start working it in a circle to mix the plastic from both halves in the middle there to join it. We're going to do that at a couple places along the seam where the parts are joined. And this is just to hold it together temporarily until we get our filler and really start welding this. All right, so there are our three tacks. And we're going to use the same color. Now it doesn't matter because the weld is on the inside and I've just got a short strand here of loose filament. And I'm going to start here in the middle just to beef up our tack. And now we want to heat up all three parts. So your two pieces that you're joining plus the filament would be our third component here. We want all three of these to be the same temperature, more or less. And we're just going to keep making these little circles. Now you can see I'm not moving the filament. I'm simply placing the hot iron tip on top to melt it, and then we start doing our circle. And so we're essentially laying this strand of filament between the two halves, heating all of the plastic together and then swirling it to create that bond. So it's not pretty, but it's strong. This is one piece now. Take your time, keep the iron moving, and you can be Iron Man. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.